In this video, I'll show you how to print using your iPhone, no matter which printer brand you have. Doesn't have to be an HP. So there's two ways on how this can be done. First of all, you can connect your printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone, or you can use Wi-Fi direct. This means that your printer will be the Wi-Fi network itself, and you simply need to connect with your iPhone to that network. You also need a password, and depending on which model you have, if you have a small screen like this one, it will be easier to get. If your printer does not have a screen, you'll have to press a combination of buttons, sometimes just an I button on it to get the password. But for this video, I have connected this printer to my Wi-Fi network, the same as the iPhone. So if you want to print a picture, open the picture itself the same way you're looking at it usually. And on the bottom of the page, you're going to find these options, including one that is a square with an arrow pointing up on the lower left side. Click on it. Then we need to go down below, simply drag, and you should have, whoops, if you don't see it, drag again more, print, and you're going to have this print dialog opening. You can also open any documents that is on your phone by going on the Files app. Any iPhones have the Files app. Simply open your PDF document, and again, you're going to have this icon down below. Click on it. So from this print dialog, honestly, it's straightforward. All you have to do is to select under printer the name of your printer that you want to use. Presets, don't touch it, leave it like that. You're going to have the numbers of copies. If you want more than one, you can select there. Do you want in color or black and white? Do you want to print on both sides of the page? If your printer has this option, it will be presented to you, but some cheaper ones don't even have it, so you won't even see that. Then you have paper size. Select the paper size you have input in your printer. And then we have media and quality. If you're going to print pictures or anything with many details, drag this slider to best. Obviously, you'll get the best result. If you're simply printing text like you see here, you can forget that and leave it to normal. You won't see any difference. It's mostly if you print pictures or artwork. At the end, simply press the print button, press continue, and yeah, the print will come out. You're gonna have on top of your iPhone this, that if you click, you can see the status. Obviously just printed, so this will disappear. But yeah, this is it. You see, that's the print that came out of the printer. And by the way, if you don't see your printer appearing on your iPhone, what I suggest, if you did everything right, is to restart your iPhone and restart your printer as well. It happened to me in the past that I don't know why they were not seeing each other. So simply by doing this, it resets all the Wi-Fi settings, all the stuff like that. And simply by turning both devices off and on again, it fixes the issue. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.